info on the space shapes. Do you remember some of the shapes we learned? Let's review. What was this shape called? Starts with a sphere. Very good. Okay. And we learned that this one can roll. Okay, very good. What was this one called? It had one flat edge, one face. It could also roll. It is a cone. Very good. The other one we learned about was another thing that rolls. This one was a tricky one that we had a hard time remembering. Has two flat edges. Okay. Looks like a pop can. We call it a cylinder. And the last one that we talked about yesterday looks like something we could roll, but we don't call it. We could call it a dice, but the three-dimensional shape that it is called, we talked about how one side looks like a square, but the rest of it, eyes over here, bud. The rest of it is called a not a prism. Good thinking though, but this is a cube. A cube. Okay. Now try not to be distracted by the video. Okay. We want to look over here. I know you can see your handsome self, but we're going to look over here, okay? So, do you ever have to clean at home?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, what do you have to clean?
My sister's room.
You have to clean your sister's room? You have to clean your room? What kind of things do you clean in your room?
All my instruments.
Your instruments? What else do you have to clean up?
My bed.
Your bed. What might be on the floor?
Star Wars dude.
A Star Wars dude, or toys maybe, okay? So in our story today, Bart and Becky are cleaning the toy room, okay? And we're going to see lots of different shapes that we have been investigating this week, okay?
Yes.
Before we read that, let's review our learning goals, okay? Our learning goals are... I'll show it this way. Our learning goals are, I can identify 3D shapes in our world, and I can identify things about 3D shapes, okay? Like faces, or how many sides it might have.
Exactly.
Okay? So again, Bart and Becky clean the toy room. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's read it together. Mom said we have to clean the toy room. I don't like to clean. How does he look?
He's like,
Yeah. So how is he feeling about cleaning his room?
upset.
He's probably a little upset. Bart, it won't be so bad if we work together. We can sort everything by its shape. Okay?
Yeah.
What shape is this Jack in the Box? Is the Jack in the Box a cube or a rectangular prism?
Rectangular. This.
Yeah. So you said rectangular prism, but you pointed to this. Remember what that one is called?
What?
One side looks like a square. We call it a cube.
Cube.
Okay? So the Jack in the Box is shaped like a cube. Okay? You know what a Jack in the Box is? You wind, and it pops up. Usually it's a clown.
Clown pops up.
Yeah, Miss U doesn't like that. I don't like clowns. Okay? Next, we see a beach ball. What shape is the beach ball? Is the beach ball a cone or a sphere? A cone or a sphere? A sphere. Very good. Okay?
It has the same things.
What shape is the party hat? Is the party hat look like a cone or a pyramid?
A cone.
It does look like a cone. We could put it on our head. Does it look like a party hat?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Okay, next one. Let's see what else is in their toy room. Ooh, what shape is this tunnel? Is this tunnel like a cylinder or is this tunnel like a sphere? Yeah, it's kind of like you could walk through it. I mean, probably like a mouse for this shape, right? Okay, very good.
Like a mouse can walk through it.
Well, everything is picked up. Mom should be pretty happy. The toy room is all picked up. Wow, this room looks great. Let me check the closet. What could be in the closet? What's in your closet? Toys. Is it a lot of junk?
Let's pretend that's my mom.
Okay. Mom, don't open that. What's gonna happen? Door. falls out. We talked about the Jack-in-the-Box. We talked about the tunnel. What about this Rubik's Cube? It's shaped like a cube. Yep, and that's shaped like a cube as well. What was the beach ball shaped like?
Bouncy.
A sphere. What was the party hat shaped like? Eyes over here, buddy.
A party hat.
I know you can see yourself in the video, but we have to look up here, okay? Yep, the party hat looks like a what kind of three-dimensional shape? What was this one called?
Cone.
A cone. Party hat looks like a cone. So did they really clean up the room? Or did they just shove it all in the closet?
They shoved it all in the closet.
They said, sorry, Mom. Get this picked up right now. Where's their mom at?
That's a thing that my mom would say.
Yeah, where's their mom at in this picture?
This is Miles and Greta.
This is the misuse question. Where is Mom in the picture?
She is.
Do you see her? The mom is underneath all the toys. Uh-oh, the closet opened up and then all the toys fell out. Okay. Now, we're going to act like we're detectives. What does a detective do? Don't your eyes over here, okay? What does a detective do?
He saves animals.
He might save some animals, okay? He also might use this to find what? Some clues. We're going to be detectives. What is your detective name going to be?
Miles.
Detective Miles? Okay, what should mine be?
Detective Miss You.
Detective Miss You, I like it. And we've got our trusted sidekick. What should our dog names be?
What?
What's our dog name?
Tacos.
What?
Tacos.
Tacos the dog. Okay. So here's our next project. Everywhere I look, I see 3D shapes. Can you help me decide what is the shape of the different things that I see? Let's find out. Okay, here's one thing we might see in our world. You see this a lot when you're at Special Olympics practice. What is it? Let's see. Let's investigate. I see some clues. It's orange. It looks like it's bumpy. What's it called? Is a basketball shaped like a sphere? Or is the basketball shaped like a cylinder? Which one? Yeah. Could we bounce this? Probably, if it wasn't plastic. Okay. If it was like a basketball. Okay. Very good. So our basketball is shaped like a sphere. Ooh, this next thing we saw in our story, Bart and Becky clean the toy room. Let's look for clues. What do you see?
Party hat.
Party hat. What color is it?
Red and blue.
Red with a blue top. Okay. So is our party hat like a cylinder? Could I wear this? No. Is our party hat like a cube? Or I'm sorry, not a cube, a cone? Is our party hat like a cone? Look again.
Yeah,
Kind of looks like it. I know it's kind of hard to think because our party hat would be a little bit bigger. But it is shaped a lot like the cone. Okay, what's next? This box. You might put toys in this box. Is our box shaped like a cube? Or is our box shaped like a
cube?
Rectangular prism. Which one? Yeah, a box would, most boxes, like if you put your toys in a box, you'd open the lid, it would be shaped like a cube. The three-dimensional shape of a cube. Okay?
Let's investigate.
What? Yeah, let's investigate. It's a can of what? What do you think?
It's a can.
A can of, what do you think it could be? It doesn't have a name on it. Could be, what do you like to drink out of a can?
Pop.
Pop? Okay, should we say it's a can of pop?
Let's say it's a can of my mom's favorite pop.
What's your mom's favorite pop?
It's Dr. Pepper.
Okay, can you scoot your chair in so we make sure you're in the video? There you go. Okay, so does mom's pop can look like a cylinder or a rectangular prism?
It kind of looks. Let's say it looks like this.
It does look like a cylinder. Very good. Okay, so next time mom is drinking your Dr. Pepper at home, you can say, Mom, you're drinking your Dr. Pepper out And she would be like, whoa,
I
Miles,
can tell that tonight.
you've been learning lots of 3D shapes.
Yes.
Okay. I'm not sure what this is. Do you know what it is?
It looks like a gorilla.
There's a gorilla on the box. There's a lion on the box, but it's something you eat.
And also raisins.
Kind of looks like a raisin box. I think it might be animal crackers, though. You know, nowadays, when Miss Yu was a kid, animal crackers came in boxes like that. Now I know they don't. But does that look like a cube?
Ooh.
You be the detective. Does that look like a cube or a rectangular prism? You're a great detective. Yes. Okay, so does this animal cracker box look like a cube or a rectangular prism? It could, but it looks a little bit longer to me, doesn't
I
it?
was thinking it looked like this.
A rectangular, can we say it? Rectangular prism. Very good. Okay, last but not least, I found these toys in my toy box. Can you point to some of the shapes and see if we can find some of them in here? Ooh, what's that guy called?
Cylinder.
This one's a cylinder.
Wow.
This one is a
Sphere.
sphere. Okay. What else do you see besides a sphere?
I see a car.
A car. We haven't really talked about the shape of the car, but I see something on top of his head. What's it look like?
Party hat.
It looks like a party hat, which is shaped like a cone. Okay. I see this guy. He looks like this three-dimensional shape. I can get it out.
Yeah, he does look like that.
Okay. Look up here. Look at this story, Miles, not at the video. Okay. Miles, over here. This looks like a cube, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, very good. We have one more activity that we're going to do, Miles, but a lot of this is going to be you showing me all that you've learned with these shapes, okay? So we're going to call it Grab a Shape Game.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay?
And we're gonna do, I'll do.
So we have a cube.
Yeah.
That's kind of like a dice. And we're going to roll it. And then we're going to find, I see some things that we might see in real life. A pack of gum, Kleenexes, a cone, trees.
A Kleenex is,
Yeah.
A Kleenex is for if someone sneezes.
In case someone sneezes. Yep. We're just going to play this for a few rounds. You have to pick something that looks like what you roll on the dice. So watch Miss Yu. Okay, so I got a rectangular prism. Okay, this box or this pack of gum looks like a rectangular prism. So I get to take that one. Okay, let's see here. All right, go ahead and roll like a dice. Don't scrunch it up though, just roll it. Can you roll it? There you go. Okay. Which one of these real life objects looks like this shape here? Can you find a shape that looks like this shape? Which one of these pictures looks like this pyramid? Nice job finding that one. Okay, kind of just looks like a candle almost. That's shaped like a pyramid. Okay, all right, Miss Yu's turn. Another pyramid. Do I see another pyramid? Ooh, this looks like a tent. What do you think that looks like? Tent? That you might go camping in? Or a bag? But it looks like a pyramid because it has that flat side. Okay, your turn. Ooh. Can you find a real life object that looks like this rectangular prism? This one's tricky. Which one looks like that rectangular prism right there? Okay, you roll this one. Can you find an object that looks like this shape? I see your eyes going in that direction. Which one of these pictures looks like this rectangular prism? Don't look at these shapes. I want you to look at the pictures. Ah, yes, absolutely. Okay. Okay. Does this box of Kleenexes look like this rectangular prism? Yes, it does. Very good. Okay. Okay, one more time each. Are you ready? I'm hoping to roll a sphere because I think you're really good at that. Oh, I'm gonna roll again. We've already rolled that one. Okay, a cone. Well, is this cone shaped like a cone? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you see these cones at?
On the road.
On the road? Yep. Or when you come in the bus in the morning, these cones are out there to make sure that you get there safely. Right? Okay. All right, roll one more.
Let's see.
Ooh. Oh, did you cheat? Okay. Which one is shaped like this cube? Which one's shaped like the cube? Can you find a picture that's shaped like a cube? Aha, very good. I see one more that's shaped like a cube. Can you find it?
Dun, dun,
Ah,
dun.
yes, very good.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay. Let's review. One more thing.
Yeah.
Let's go over just a few of these, the ones that we're going to be tested on. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
What's this called? A sphere. Next one. What's this called?
Oh.
Kiss your brain. Awesome. Your brain is growing. What's this one called? By the can of pop. You're going to go home and say, Mom, you're drinking your Dr. Pepper out of a cylinder. Very good. Last but not least, because when we take our test, we only have to go over these four, but it's still good to practice. Last one. Starts with a K.